here. Today we're opening Christmas Eve, day number 25.
24, it is day number 24. Now this one has intrigued me. Do you like the shape of it? It's like a wedge. This one looks very exciting. What are we getting on Christmas Eve? Now, if you come from a traditional European family like us, we are German, we are Schultzes. We celebrate some of our Christmas on Christmas Eve and we get to open a present. So I wanted to put something very special in our Christmas Eve parcel because you definitely get good presents on Christmas Eve in our household, being German. Oh, wow, this is so exciting. I'm so excited to share this with you. This is our new 8x10 album. It is gorgeous. It comes with different size pocket pages inside. It also has got some cardboard sheets in there you can do scrapbooking on. It looks so good. I cannot wait to show you some of the amazing projects our DT have done with our new albums. You will be able to buy these separately in January and you can buy different pocket inserts as well. So this is day number 24. Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas, everybody, especially to all the European families enjoying their Christmas today on Christmas Eve. We will see you tomorrow for Christmas Day, the very last one of our 2021 Advent Kit. Thank you so much, Pearl, for all your help. We have one more day to go. See you tomorrow. Bye.